discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Chevrolet Malibu. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.